things. No slow things. I'm scared.
Mama! Mama! Mama!
Kaya, relax lang.
Pwede naman sa linda na dito.
The one I saw in Japan is alive.
Part of the ecosystem.
Kaya, show me here. Go, daddy. Una, hoy.
Mag-shed ng isa ka lang, no?
Another sniping.
Ano feeling kaya yan?
It's a type feather. Just get one. Just get one. How minute? Kaya si mama.
Ah,
Nakabibi
Si
na.
mama.
Brazilian dish. Hey, dito you stand here. Look at mommy.
Why should we see the orangutans first?
In the side dito.
Hi, Jason. Look at this.
You stand beside your daddy. Come on, go to your daddy. Yeah, kaya.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Cebu Safari at Adventure Park. Now we have a total of 6 colonial flying macaws named Harry, Harley, match up the letter A. Now zebra spells Z-E-B-R-A. Is it correct? Now sandpreneurs are also known as sand parakeets. They are very playful, meaning they can only have one partner for a lifetime. Sana all. But when their partner dies, that's hard. Now for the next one is a telephone ringing. Now for the last one is a whistle. Last one. Ginger. Now it's Scotch Hunter. Now Philippine Hawk Eagle. Now grabbing white plumage from his head. Now Brahminicae, they practice kleptoparasitism, or they love to snatch their food from other birds. That's why they are called as a snatching prey of life. Now, white-bellied seagull, also known as Marina. Now, a white-bellied to 220 centimeters. Their favorite food in the wild, they mainly eat fish, sea snakes, small turtles, and mammals. Now, again, I need everyone's cooperation, so please sit down and enjoy the show. About the importance of preserving nature. Together, we can make a difference for wildlife and for a better future generation. Now let me introduce you the people behind this successful show. My partner here on stage, Mr. James. We also have here other bird trainers, Mr. KJ, Miss Rachel, Mr. Romnek, and Mr. Irvin. And to make this even more memorable, we present to you the symbol of love, peace, prosperity, and harmony. Now, my name is Nassim. We hope you enjoy the show. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the life. Now, for those who want to take pictures of our photograph birds, kindly form a line.
Donkey!
Daddy, can I keep it as a pet too?
Donkey! Look kaya donkey!
Kapay na huwag tayo ha.
Yeah, I know.
Bilinin mo ang uban. Yan, may silo dito. Makiat ay.
Look!
And another like dito.
Yeah, dito at the top of the tree. Look, look, look! Mischievous one. Ah.
No, I just fall down. No, I just fall down.
The ones you see walking, that is Tugoy. The other two are Max. Nasa sila yung poultry na po kayo. Yes, ma'am. 9 poultry ang honor. So, ang kauna nila is grilled chicken or beef. Sorry,
Okay, stick your fingers out now.
no.
Yay.
So that they will go closer.
Lioness or female lions to avoid aggressive fight.
Ah.
So they can live 12 to 16 years in the wild, but here they can live up to 25 years.
Pero sa mas sila pag-breed, nalay separate lang ang girl.
As of now, wala pa dyan yung female lions, sir. But soon, planning ang honor para makabreed.
Oh, ma-breed sa kayo tayo.
Hey, ito mo stop? Hindi mo stop?
Savannah called zebra. The zebras are unique like our fingerprints. They don't have the same patterns to recognize each other. The male zebra, next to it is a 2-week-old zebra.
Whoa, two.
Once again, that is our glassback and our zebra.
Is it female or male? I don't know. Careful now. This is not.
Look at the camera.
Camera.
Daddy, can I?
On your left side, that one right there is called the waterback.
Water bag.
The waterback are strong that they use water to evade from other predators. So as these animals also gets older, the more stinkier they become.
Okay.
The more stinkier they become, the more attractive they are to the females. So they also
Like
support
us.
being
Like
Oh yeah,
that one right there at the back, that is called the blue wildebeest. Now blue wildebeest got its name because of their blue wildebeest. Now that one right there, on your left side.
Why should we walk? Did I touch the dog?
Yeah, you can. Wash your hands after.
Mom, Abby.
Here are grapes. Put on the grapes.
Thank you.